Today my son is going to tell about, will display the flag and he'll tell the corresponding country and the capital. Yeah.
Country as well as the capital? Yes. Wow, okay, Vaidik, let's go. What is this flag?
India capital, New Delhi.
Very good. Next. Of course.
Canada capital, Ottawa.
That is true, correct.
So, United States of America capital, Washington DC.
Wow, okay.
United Kingdom capital, London. Brazil capital, Brasilia.
Loud.
Which country, Nana?
Brazil capital, Brasilia. Italy capital, Rome. China capital, Beijing.
Yes.
Japan capital, Tokyo. Germany capital, Berlin. France capital, Paris. Portugal capital, Lisbon. South Korea capital, Seoul. Greece capital, Athens. Australia capital, Canberra.
Okay.
Spain capital, Madrid. Mexico capital, Mexico City. Argentina capital, Buenos Aires. Switzerland capital, Bern.
Loud.
Russia capital, Moscow. New Zealand capital, Wellington. Netherlands capital, Amsterdam.
Just to pause.
New Zealand capital, Wellington. Netherlands capital, Amsterdam.
Very good, Nana. Vaidik.
That is
Anna
So due to the time constraint, it is only 30-40 countries, but he knows around 180 countries and capitals.
That is wow.
Great. Thank you so much.
She is very eager to take it away already.
Alphabet Techno School, Motinagar, Hyderabad.